Hello friends, I'm Aziz, your guide on the prefab house journey. Today on Prefab House Guide, we are diving into the intricacies of a unique tiny house. Buckle up as we explore every detail from the exterior to the cozy interiors. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Now let's uncover the beauty of today's featured tiny gem. Today's star is a petite wonder, a tiny house with 30 square meters of living space. Crafted with precision, the exterior boasts 100% natural wooden lumber. The robust iron sheet roof, coupled with 10 cm thick, 50 density rock wool insulation between the roof and the wooden ceiling, ensures a cozy, energy-efficient space. Walls too are fortified with 5 cm rock wool. Thermally insulated double glass PVC windows and entrance door, adorned with dark gray spotlights, complete the picture. As we step inside, we're welcomed by a spacious 24 square meters on the ground floor and an additional 6 square meters in the loft. Abundant natural light floods in through strategically placed entrance windows and a charming triangular window above the entrance. The wooden stairs, a testament to fine craftsmanship, beckon us to explore the snug loft above. Now let's turn our attention to the heart of the home. Wait for it, the open kitchen. Outfitted with simple yet elegant white cabinets and a brown wooden designed countertop, this kitchen is a canvas awaiting personalization. The addition of a PVC sliding window with a fly net ensures both simplicity and practicality. Adjacent to the kitchen, we discover a compact yet thoughtfully designed bathroom. Dressed in white ceramic tiles and white PVC covered walls, it houses a 90 by 90 shower, a toilet, and a PVC door with a high sill to prevent water leakage. Every inch of the space serves a purpose. As we ascend the wooden stairs to the loft, a cozy bedroom unfolds. A triangular window adds character, while the bed, placed directly on the floor, offers a unique sleeping experience. Gaze up and you'll find yourself touching the natural wooden panels that grace the ceiling. In conclusion, this tiny house is not just a dwelling, it's a lifestyle. Embracing minimalistic living, it strikes a balance between affordability and performance. Tiny houses in general exemplify a growing trend towards simplicity and sustainability. Prefabricated wooden houses, like the one we've explored today, showcase the beauty of efficient design and craftsmanship. Let's take one more look to this beautiful house before we conclude this journey. As we wrap up our tour, let me emphasize the meticulous workmanship evident in every detail of this tiny abode. It's a testament to the dedication of those who craft such spaces. If you enjoyed this exploration, I would appreciate your support. Like, share, and subscribe to Prefab House Guide for more unique homes and insightful content. Your engagement truly fuels our passion for sharing these incredible spaces. Until next time, happy exploring.